Just let him come. Shoot him. Okay, let him come. Just let him come, man. Boy, Matt O'Connor, let's go. Yee yee. Talk about close, Matthew.
Yeah, you didn't think that well.
Let's go, dude.
Well, you see here, he was roosted right here.
Where at, Matthew?
He was in that tree right there. I could just kind of see him.
Snuck up to that tree there. Just put the old decoy out. And turns out he flew down and didn't take it well.
Well, he saw that and came right to it.
Yeah. Well, there's one. God, I love that.
I had them little sticks in my way.
Yeah, I know.
That's why you told me to shoot him. He's way over here. I'm like, I can't even get behind all that stuff. Oh, yeah?
Oh, he's got some pretty hooks. Like that. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. That's awesome. Dude, how far was it? $13. The old gun's on at 13, Matt.
Yep, that works.
Here come the other two boys. Basically, we heard this bird, and this is kind of a skinny woods, and they went on the top side, and we went on the bottom side, and got the old luck of the draw. He flew down to the bottom and saw that decoy, and he was coming. Old Mad Dog took his head off.
Oh my God, that's close.
Came right in.
Come right into the decoy?
Came right into the decoy.
Oh my goodness.
Nice. Oh yeah, boys.
That's epic. I didn't hear him fly down. Brakes heard him fly down.
He was in that
Hey,
tree.
flew down like 50 yards out there and just came right in on a string.
Yeah, Wayne's over here going, kill him!
Well,
Kill
yeah,
him.
he stuck his
Kill
head
him.
out once. so
Just
he
come
shoot
running
that.
in.
Basically
Pretty
on a
much,
straight
yeah,
walk.
just-
I had some little of those twigs and stuff right in front of me. He's walking right behind him. Like, all right, well, as soon as he clears it.
We were in a good spot too, but
I think we were in a better one.
yeah, Briggs, why'd you pick the top?
He wanted a reaper anyways.
Yeah, you want to run a gun now, don't you?
So pretty much. Kind of made getting that soak walk through that hay worth it.
No, I heard him fly down. I'm like, oh, he ain't going in our field. So hopefully Matt don't piss off.
Oh boy, yeah, I got nervous. You gonna roll him?
Oh, you rolled him once, Matt.
Well, he didn't really take that well, did he?
Oh.
I think you just get up here and aim for the top of the knoll and the tree line. I think that's your best bet to start. You'll be able to see him, and we'll be able to see how he acts. But I'm just not sure he's going to come all the way across there. But we're going to have to find out, because we're not going to get away with going up there crawling.
Yeah, I just gotta keep eyes on him. Yep. I don't see him. Oh, right there.
Get on, Briggs. Oh my goodness, Briggs. Dude, you just unloaded on him.
Dude, man, the 410 ain't got the knockdown power like the old 870 does.
410 for the win.
I am sweating.
I am muddy.
My neck hurts.
I am muddy. That ain't ideal for the binos.
No. Look at this.
Yeah.
I'm just...
But
man,
hey, we got us a big bird.
Hey, another 10-yard thing.
The GoPro said, I never saw him.
It's just the first shot. Like, it stunned him because he didn't like run. So I'm like, pop, and then all of a sudden
Four shots later.
he did the other thing. I'm just like, I'm unloading. Pop, 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 pop.
You gotta be kidding. Look at the beard on that sucker.
Dude, like I lost him forever because like when he was up there, like he would come 10
Well,
yards.
it's steep there. Yeah.
He would come 10 yards and then he would strut.
That's
And
when
then
you
he
know
would
they're
come
coming.
10 yards and he would strut.
That's when you know they're coming. He's just taking.
And then I'm just like, and then like you kept asking where he was. I'm like, I don't know. I lost him. He was down there in the bottom. And then all of a sudden I kind of picked up my head and I just saw him head down going. Whoa, whoa. I'm like, oh yeah, here he comes.
I didn't know how much you could see.
No, that happened pretty quick. Like he was on me.
I can't believe how fast you could shoot that thing.
It's as fast as you can pull the trigger. Yeah.
You are a freaking animal, dude. You're nuts.
Yeah, as fast as you can pull the trigger.
Look at that sun. We got to take a picture of that sun
I'm
right
gonna
there.
have to clean Logan's gun.
Yeah, that's an expensive 410. Wow, yours is really wet.
Yeah.
Must have took it through the winter weed. Huh?
All right, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
I almost went straight down face first right in that goddamn creek.